Oh, that's hard.
There you go.
Best steering wheel model 2024, man. Make sure y'all would like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Whole lot more miles on the way. Hey, I just gotta stay tapped in. I don't know what time I might see coming next. I don't know. Y'all might see flames spitting out their mouth on the highway or something. What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy SRTV Brazen, man.
We really on.
With another video. Today, we're gonna be getting the steering wheel right, man. We're gonna be installing the best steering wheel mods. So, I'm gonna get into it, you know what I'm saying? So, as y'all can see, we got the blue RT to match the outside skirt. You know, that's hard. Then we got the gray. So, we're gonna go ahead and get these on. So, y'all wanna make sure y'all start on the clean surface, man. Gotta make sure y'all start on the clean surface. Unclean your little spot that you about to get right with. You feel me? God damn, can't even open him up. Oh, it's just a pad. Like, oh, stupid. Oh, stupid. You gotta clean surface before you got which you don't
Wipe them down.
got to. Yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. A whole lot more bangs on the way. Then you wanna go and just dry it off a little bit, you feel me? Just dry it off. Alright, feel me? Then you wanna go in with your middle piece, you feel me? Now this, you can get this on eBay. You can get these a couple different places. They got black, blue, they got the carbon fiber, all different kinds. So y'all go get yours. But it's real easy to put on, real simple to put on. Got a little adhesive on the back. You just peel it off and put it on. And you're gonna be good. Be Gucci. Yeah, he's so thin as hell.
As y'all can see, the time is 5:55. Angel numbers, boy.
Yo, that he's so thin as hell, twin. I'm trying to tell you, like.
Let me see.
Yeah. Go ahead and get that bit right. Oh.
Yeah, that shit is all these things.
You know what I'm saying?
They make sure you can't get that.
Oh, God. You having a time at it.
Got him.
Got him. I ain't gonna lie,
That shit is OD sticky.
Oh, God. Gotta make sure you place it right. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna start from the bottom. Start at the bottom right here. It's the right placement.
Might want to just give it a little honk real quick.
Stupid ass. Nah, that shit hard.
Already. And they put the outline on that bitch.
Gotta put the outline on there. Then
You
you
gonna
wanna
put
take the
everything
gray
else?
piece, you feel me? Whatever, nah. You can get this any other color too. It don't just come in gray. But we go ahead and put this on for y'all niggas, man. They talking about to go crazy, buddy. Crazy word. Crazy word. Crazy word. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Put top on first. Put a little, what you love, you know. You feel me? Easy little DIYs, man. You can do yourself.
Easy.
Okay.
Don't even take 20 minutes.
At all. Bruh, maybe it don't want to stay right. You gotta make sure that bit perfect, y'all, boy. I ain't gonna lie. God damn. Maybe it don't want to stay right. Maybe it don't want to stay right. There you go. Bring me home. Bring me home. Oh, yeah.
Face ass.
We in there. We in there. We in there. Wait. Oh, that's hard.
There you go.
Best steering wheel model 2024, man. Make sure y'all would like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hold out my mom. Hey, I just gotta stay tapped in. I don't know what y'all might see coming next. I don't know. Y'all might see flames spitting out their mode on highway. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see in the comment down below, man. It's your SRTG Brazy. It's a quick little DIY mod for all y'all young niggas. You know, y'all got an RT, y'all want to do a little something crazy to it, make it a little different, make it your own. Get the color you want, go ahead, get right, man. Alright, man, finna go ahead and get the hoes started. Got them blue mods. Feel me? God dang, it. It's, we go up on the nigga. Oh my god. Hold on. Up on the nigga. Feel me? Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. That boy got chew done. That boy go trim with it.
I put another one on twin.
Trim with it. Hold on. Gotta get another with another sticker. That's how you do it. Just like that. Feel me? Go down, shift on the nigga. Oh shit, hold on.
Oh lord.
Go down, shift on the nigga.
Type shit.
Type shit.
How you feeling?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all boy gotta like, comment, subscribe. Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all a little outside view, show y'all why I went the blue ones. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below where I got these from. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too major, nothing too crazy. But y'all know why I went with the blue ones, bro. Y'all know I got the feel me? Feel me? Now tell me how it go. Tell me if it go trim or not. What you think? Stop playing with it, man. 18 years old, man. First modifications to the RT, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments down below. And yeah, man, it's your boy SRTG Brazy. I'm out. Cut.
Gotta write what I feel, gotta grind for that meal. My jeweler got me ice, feel the chills.